All right, ladies, I look like this. I went to the gym today. I went looking like that, but my arms feel like noodles. My legs feel like noodles, but I did it. I closed the iWatch 30-minute ring. That is my goal, that I start doing that every damn day. So we'll see. Kathy commented something about wanting to see how the Uni-Ball Airs work. So I wanted to show you guys how they work when they're highlighted. So I've got a couple different planners, obviously. I'm going to show you on each one how quick they dry to highlight on top of them, okay? So I'm going to use like real life paper. Okay, so I've got the B6 Stalogy. I've got the Happy Planner, just the normal paper inserts that they come with. I have my Stalogy A5. I'll do a couple for you. Well, I guess the Stalogy other one would be fine, but this one has like actual just printer paper on it that I had taped on there, so I'll show you guys on that one. Let me grab my pen. Do you ever have those moments where you put your pens all over the place and then when you need them, you actually can't find them? That is today for me. I've had calls and such, but let me show you. Okay, I'm just gonna use my red one. Actually, that might help too, so that you can get a good feel for it. Okay, so Uni-Ball Air red pen. My first one that I'm gonna do is, I'll go ahead and do it for today. Okay, so here, I'm literally writing on that on paper, printer paper. This is just a pink Sharpie highlighter. So it's just the pink highlighters that they carry. And then, actually, you know what? I'm gonna be smart, because you won't be able to see red with pink very well. We'll use yellow, because in yellow you can see. Okay, so look, so there's that. It looks fine, not crazy, doesn't smear. It looks good. Okay, so there's that one. Now I'm gonna try it on the, I'll actually do a couple things. So I had a conference call with my financial coach. I did that today and I survived. She's awesome. If you need a true financial coach, not financial advisor, she's not an advisor. She's like an actual coach. Dig in, figure out your brain and why we're doing the way we're doing and help you get your goals. Let me know, because Jacqueline's kick ass. But she doesn't even live in Arizona. Like, she lives in another state. So she's still my coach. Okay, so I wrote notes. I just finished and now I'm recording this video with her. So this has been dried probably, I don't know, at this point, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. But I'm going to highlight across. You can see. Looks good, right? But now, in true fashion, we're going to write something with the red one, since that's the one I'm using for the immediate test. So I'm going to write, this is a test. So just wrote that, covering that. There is the red, right? So doing it, running 3 lines through it, it gets it to just a tad smeared, but not really. But that's running ink over it 3 times. Talk about oversaturating it. But other than that, it looks good when you just do the one. So that's running it over 3. I'll write small. This is a test. Okay. And I'll roll this over just, and this is on the Stalogy paper. So immediately after, it's going to smear just a tad, but if you let it dry, it should be fine. So this is a test. I'll dry just a little bit. Okay. Looks good. That one doesn't smear. So this is the one that I blew it for a couple seconds and doesn't smear. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm gonna do the Happy Planner one. So to give you an idea, I've been highlighting now. Tonight will be day 3 summary that I post later on tonight when I actually am like doing my night routine. But this is what it's been highlighting. It looks fine. There's a little bit where it did right there, but nothing where it would like destroy my mind by it looking like that, but it looks good overall. So let me, I'm going to write on here for tomorrow, close 30-minute ring. Okay. This one you can tell on the Happy Planner one, the ink stays wet a little bit longer because it's more cardstocky, their paper, I guess. It's the best way to describe. So let me let it dry real quick. All right, close enough. It's got a little tad of ring, but I'm really gonna have to do. So look, you can see on the Happy Planner one, it does smear a little bit on that, but the ink was still kind of wet. Now, on this one up above, let me, the highlighter's starting to get kind of red. It's gonna give it a bias. Okay, so this one was like, that's already been there for a couple days. So to give you an idea, if you let the ink dry, it looks beautiful. Like no smearing at all. Okay, so I hope that helps answer that one. A couple prompts that I also had. You guys keep asking me questions. I love giving you my feedback. I am going to be posting how you juggle like handling kids, little kids, working full-time, just sanity, because doesn't sanity have to fit somewhere? Maybe we're not meant to have sanity if we're like wearing a million hats. Hell if I know. But anyway, so that's what I've got for you right now. So any other questions you have, business related, entrepreneur related, mom, wife, friend, whatever, planner, highlighters, markers, anything, you just let me know and I will share. Bye.